Hey, what's up guys, it's Kaustav here, and today as you've clicked on this video is all about the comparison between Realme Buds Air Neo and the original Realme Buds. So Realme recently, just 2 days ago, launched the Realme Buds Air Neo, and it has been priced at about 3000 rupees, which is 1000 less than the original Realme Buds. Going by the name Neo, it means a light version of the original product. So this is a budget friendly version of the Realme Buds Air. So in this video I will be giving you my initial impressions as well as my thoughts on the newly launched Realme Buds Air Neo. So coming to the first point is the design. So if you look at the case guys, it is completely identical to that of the original Realme Buds, and the case now houses the exact same battery, which is a 410 mAh battery inside it. And talking about the individual earbuds have 43 mAh of battery, and it is also the same. So Realme also claims that the music playback time is about 17 hours, which is roughly accurate, I should say, because I have tested it on my personal Realme Buds Air, which I have done a review of. You can also check it out. So that's about the battery. Then coming to the next thing, where somewhat of a cost cutting has been done, I should say, is with the charging. In charging, they have skipped upon the wireless charging, which was okay for me because it didn't bother me much. I have never used it personally, so it was fine. And the next thing they have done cost cutting is with the charging port. So in the charging port department, now we have the micro USB charging port back on the newly launched Realme Buds Air Neo. Whereas on the original one, we had a Type-C port, which was quite great, and that was the thing which let me down a bit, but it's okay. Like, you have to do cost cutting to keep the prices down. Another factor to talk about is the design of the whole case. Like, the dimensions are a bit different, like it is a bit lighter also, and it looks and feel more premium, as well as it has been built more sturdy than the previous one. So that's also one positive point to consider. Second thing is the earbud itself. If you take a closer look at the earbuds, then the IR sensor has been removed, which was present on the previous version of the Buds. The IR sensor used to be used to auto play pause the music, so that was a bit disappointing for me. Another thing is the bass drivers itself. The drivers have been upgraded from 12mm to 13mm, and now they have been more tuned to provide more bass throughout the whole range. So that's a good thing for all the bass lovers out there. And the next thing talking about is the touch controls. The Buds still have the touch control, which used to be used to play the music, pause music, or also receive your calls, end your calls, as well as trigger Google Assistant. So that feature is still there. And for all the gamers out there guys, it still has that R1 chip which was present in the original one. So now it has been also more tuned enough to get more low latency, so that we can play games at a precise sound effects and there will be no lag or latency whatsoever. So it is also good for gaming too. Last but not the least is the pricing, which is where the Realme Buds Air Neo really shine. It comes at a price of about 3000 Indian rupees, which is expensive, I should say, because now that Redmi has launched their earbuds, which cost around 1800 rupees, it is gonna give some really tough competition to all the truly wireless earphones which are present in the market. And the price is only justified if you are planning to get the original Realme Buds, which cost about 4000 Indian rupees. And somehow if you are on a budget and you don't want to miss on a lot of features, then you can just go for the Realme Buds Air Neo. So that is when I think personally the price is justified for 3000 rupees. So that's about it for this video guys. I hope you like the video, and if you like it, then please do hit the like button down below, and also get subscribed to my channel for more such content. This is your boy Kaustav from T2E signing off. You guys have a great day.